Hey guys, this is Desiree with Vapor Honing Technologies, and today I wanted to talk about the Hydroblast and how you can couple the system with a dry blast machine or a vapor honing machine. So this would be a really good tool to have for pre-processing your parts if you want to knock off as much contaminant and oil and grease as you can, because this machine does heat up to around 117 degrees Fahrenheit and it does blast around 1400 psi. So it's a great way to do a sort of pre-cleaning on your part before throwing it in your vapor honing machine, because that will keep your vapor honing machine cleaner for longer and it makes your finishing process a lot faster. This is also a great tool for post-processing after blasting with a vapor honing wet blasting machine or a dry blast machine, because it's a great way to remove any excess media that could be in crevices or on the part itself after blasting. So this is just going to ensure a very thorough clean. For more information, call our office directly at 828-202-5563 or visit our website.